Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about making money with affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? If you're watching this video, then that means there's a good chance that you're looking to start earning money online. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about making money with affiliate marketing. But before I get into that, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if you're interested in different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to go down and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into it. So let me start off by first explaining what affiliate marketing is for those of you who are unfamiliar. So with affiliate marketing, what you're basically doing is just promoting somebody else's product online. You're going to be promoting a product through a specific affiliate link that you're going to be given. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and they make a purchase through that link, then that's when you make a commission. Sounds simple enough, right? But there's actually a lot more that goes into it than that. So let me first talk about what you need in order to get started with affiliate marketing. So the first thing is going to be picking a niche, or as some people would pronounce it, a niche. So basically, you're going to choose a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. And what I recommend when picking a niche is that you need to be passionate about it, because there's going to be times where you're going to hit a wall, you're going to get stuck. And if you're not passionate about the niche that you chose, then you're going to, most likely, you're going to quit. So that's why I recommend going with something that you're really passionate about. Okay, so that brings us to the second thing that you need. You need to pick a product. So you're going to want to pick a product that you're going to be promoting to the people who join on your email list. So whatever product that you pick, you have to make sure that it's related to the niche that you're in. If you're in the weight loss niche, you can simply promote a weight loss product. There's thousands of different products that you can promote as your affiliate offer. And if you're looking for an affiliate program to get started with, the two main common ones are ClickBank.com and also Amazon Associates. Both of these are free to sign up, and they offer a wide variety of different products that you can promote. So whatever niche that you're in, you can find a product to promote. So that brings us to the third thing that you need. You need to pick a lead magnet. Other people would refer to this as a free offer. So basically, you need to have something of value that you're going to be giving away for free in order to have people sign up to be onto your email list. So you can have a number of different things that you want to give away as a free offer. You can have an ebook, you can have people watch a special video, give people access to a free trial of your online course if that's what you're selling. Anything that's going to give value to the person who's having a problem in the niche that you're in. So when you have these three things picked out, the next thing that you're going to need is an email software service. And with the email software service, this is going to be able to allow you to create an email list, a landing page, and an autoresponder sequence. These are key ingredients when it comes to affiliate marketing. So basically, just to give you a summary of how it should work, people are going to be coming to your landing page. They're going to see the free offer that you're providing, and they're going to submit their email in order to receive your free offer. And once they do, they're going to be put onto your email list. And once they're on your email list, they're going to start receiving your autoresponder emails. So when people receive your autoresponder emails, each email should be related to the niche that you're in and also giving them value. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick visual of how it should look. So once you have your email software service, people are going to be coming to what is called your landing page. This is going to be provided by your email software service. So this is going to be the title right here, maybe a graphic or a picture of your free offer, and then an area where people are going to enter in their email, title, image or a video, and a button. So people are going to see your free offer, they're going to enter in their email and hit the button, And when they do that, they're gonna receive the free offer that you promised them, whether it's an ebook, a free video, or a free trial, whatever you chose. But not only that, they're gonna be put onto your email list. So when they're on your email list, they're gonna receive your autoresponder emails. So these are gonna be on an automated sequence. You can send this to the people on your list every day, every other day, once a week. It's really up to you. So basically, once you have this done, this is what's called a sales funnel. So once you have your sales funnel built, how do you make money with affiliate marketing? The way that you do this is by addressing a problem that the people in your niche are having and providing a solution to it. You should see yourself as a solution provider to the people who are on your email list. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're in the weight loss niche, the people on your email list are struggling to lose weight most likely. So you should be providing a solution for that. Something like a weight loss supplement or a fat burner. And when it comes to your autoresponder emails, they should all be related to the niche that you're in. They should be delivering value to the people that are reading them. So the people who are struggling to lose weight, you should be delivering value, something related to the weight loss niche in your emails. Maybe you can even tell your personal story, because people resonate with other people more when they have a message that they can connect with. And you have to be creating content on a consistent basis if you want to make serious money with affiliate marketing. And the reason why you need to be doing this is because most people don't buy something the first time that they're exposed to it. It usually takes up to 7 exposures for somebody to actually buy into something. So that's why creating content on a regular basis is the key steps to making money with affiliate marketing. So whether you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or you have some experience with it, these are some things to keep in mind. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it or you got some kind of value out of it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you guys want my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So that basically wraps it up for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.